Hello and welcome to our channel TNB Academy. If you are in the food industry or just curious about food safety standards, you have come to the right place. Today we are diving into the relationship between ISO 22000, 2018 and other management system standards. ISO 22000 is a globally recognized food safety management system. But did you know it connects with several other standards to create a seamless, efficient system? Let's explore how. ISO 22000 and ISO 9001 Quality Management System. ISO 22000 shares a strong connection with ISO 9001 2015, the international standard for quality management. Both emphasize the process approach, risk-based thinking, and continuous improvement. ISO 22000 focuses on food safety risk, while ISO 9001 ensures overall product and service quality. When combined, they help businesses produce safe, high-quality food while maintaining customer satisfaction. ISO 22000 and ISO 14001. Environmental management. The food industry has a big environmental impact. That's why many companies integrate ISO 22000 with ISO 14001. The Environmental Management System, that is EMS. ISO 14001 helps businesses reduce waste, pollution, and resource consumption, aligning with food safety practices in ISO 22000. Together, they promote sustainable food production that's both safe and environmentally responsible. ISO 22000 and ISO 45001. Occupational health and safety. Food safety isn't just about the product, it's also about the people handling it. That's where ISO 45001 2018, the standard for occupational health and safety, that is OH&S, comes in. Food industry workers face hazards like chemical exposure, burns, and machinery accidents. Integrating ISO 45001 with ISO 22000 ensures that food is safe and employees work in a healthy, risk-free environment. ISO 22000 and HACCP hazard analysis and critical control points. Many companies ask, if we have HACCP, do we need ISO 22000? The answer is they complement each other. HACCP is a systematic approach to food safety that focuses on identifying and controlling food hazards. ISO 22000 incorporates HACCP principles but goes further. It includes communication, documentation, and continual improvement for a stronger food safety culture. ISO 22000 and ISO 27001. Information security. In today's digital world, cybersecurity in the food industry is critical. That's where ISO 27001 2022, the Information Security Management System, connects with ISO 22000. ISO 27001 helps protect sensitive food safety data, including supplier details, production processes, and traceability records. When combined, these standards prevent data breaches that could compromise food safety and consumer trust. ISO 22000 and FSSC 22000. Food Safety System Certification. Many companies pursuing global food safety certification opt for FSSC 22000. This scheme is based on ISO 22000 but includes additional sector-specific requirements. If your business needs a GFSI recognized certification, FSSC 22000 is a great choice. It ensures compliance with international food safety regulations while maintaining the structure of ISO 22000. ISO 22000 and GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices. ISO 22000 also aligns with Good Manufacturing Practices, that is GMP, which focuses on hygiene, sanitation, and proper food handling. GMP ensures food is made in a clean, controlled environment, while ISO 22000 manages risk throughout the food chain. Together, they build consumer confidence and regulatory compliance. Benefits of an integrated management system, that is IMS. Combining ISO 22000 with other management standards creates what's known as an integrated management system, that is IMS. An IMS allows companies to streamline processes, reduce duplication, and improve efficiency. This approach saves time, money, and resources while ensuring compliance with multiple standards. And that wraps up today's video on ISO 22000 and its relationship with other management system standards. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more insights on food safety and management systems. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments which management standard do you want to learn about next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.